Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2022. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5. Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni is the latest and greatest robot vacuum and mop from Ecovacs. It comes at a high asking price, but it more than makes up for it with bleeding-edge technology. They had a fantastic performance in all of our tests, showcasing excellent navigational ability, cleaning performance, and exceptional usability. The included Omni station is incredibly useful, handling the majority of your daily maintenance tasks for you. If a truly hands-off device is what you are looking for, it is hard to beat the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. Number 4. iLife View 400 Floor Washing Robot. The iLife View 400 Floor Washing Robot doesn't offer all the bells and whistles of pricier models, but it's easy to use, quiet, has good battery life, and at $249.99, it won't cost you a fortune. Like many other robot mops on the market, it cleans with water only and isn't recommended for use with cleaning solution, which might be a deal breaker for you in the age of COVID-19. The W400 doesn't unseat our current editor's choice robot mop, the iRobot Brava Jet 6, which features smart navigation capabilities, app and voice control, and can be used with a cleaning solution. But the W400 is half the price and does a good job removing dirt, smudges, and footprints from your floor. Number 3. Dreame Bot W10. The Dreame Bot W10 is a powerful robot vacuum that collects fine dust and larger debris, while also offering the ability to mop hard floors. The docking station is bulky but can clean the mopping pads for you, reducing the maintenance required. It isn't as slim as some rival robot vacuums, meaning it couldn't reach under certain pieces of furniture, plus it's expensive too. The Dreame Bot W10 can vacuum or mop or enlist both functions simultaneously, as well as engage its spot clean function for particularly dirty areas. It offers 4 levels of suction and 3 levels of dampness for the mopping pads, along with a 15 fluid ounces dust canister, which requires emptying manually. Number 2. Airrobo T10 Plus. The Airrobo T10 Plus is a fully automated robot vacuum that can empty its own dust bin, increase its suction power when detecting carpets, and return to the charging base when it is running low on battery. It is equipped with advanced features such as a smart navigation system and high suction power, which put it into the higher price range. The docking station of the Airrobo T10 Plus serves 2 functions, a charging station and a self-emptying station. The auto-empty base can automatically empty the dust bin after every round of cleaning, which is great for those who don't have time to manually empty the dust bin and those who have dust allergies. The dust bag inside the auto-empty base has a capacity of 3.3 liters and can hold 45 days worth of dirt, depending on the amount of dirt it accumulates. However, it does produce a very loud noise for about 5 seconds when self-emptying, which is a common feature of auto-empty bases in general. Number 1. Yeedi Vac Max. Yeedi has been quietly redefining what you can expect from cheaper vacuum cleaners and continues to do so with the Yeedi Vac Max, a powerful robot cleaner and mop all-in-one that's compatible with the optional self-empty station. It cleans well, but mopping is a little more basic than rival models, and the app is a little fiddly to use in places. Still, for the money, there's little to complain about.